Right, hello everybody. Sorry I haven't been doing a lot of videos and all that lately. It's just been hectic here with the new kitten and everything else. I'm trying hard to get this website up and running and oh dear. Anyway, and finishing loads of things off so I can actually put it on the website. Yeah, this will be on the website, I think. Anyway, we'll see. So this is detachable. Okay, I've just done a little embellishment. It's just I think I've done that last year with a key, and there's that one, not a key, stamp, and put it on a bit of wood. Just this is some of my bits that I get left over. So I've just got little dangles, bead there, and got a little key, and then a little safety pin. There's a little bead there and a bit of that, so get that going right. Okay, go that way. That goes on the front. So you've seen most of me doing this thing. God, I'm out of practice videoing. It's terrible. Folio thing. Oh my days. Okay. Right. Done it. Just a tie closure. Okay. And let's tag here. Everything's been backed, lined paper, or just some kind of book page paper. You know, coffee stain paper. It's tags here. I've just popped that in because it's shiny because I've got a laser printer. They were sort of slipping around a bit, so I've just popped that one in there just to stop them slipping around. Where what I'm going to do, I will put a little bit of something on there. I don't know whether I want that really. I'll do that now because I know I'll forget. See, and I thought I'd finished. I'll put that on there. Okay, and that sort of stops the two shiny bits going together. It's that one and that one. So putting this in between just stops that. There we are. Okay, and you saw me sort of showed this already. Okay, and let's just call that. Okay, here we go. And that's that page. So there's two tags here, and that sort of opens out, and you can. So it's done out of an index card really, and I had I think that was one of the pages from the kit, and I just got it down. So there goes. That one's exactly the same. Yeah, there's a tag here, and tickets, little journaling card. Okay, all right. Then here, these. I haven't put a grommet here or anything with anything dangling because it sort of go onto this page, if you know what I mean. So I've left that blank. I've left it so that it's slightly you do it yourself. Yeah, it's very sort of like, it's not over embellished or anything. And the reason behind that is you actually get this with it, which I'll show in a minute. There's a little ephemera folder and it's got tags and all sorts in. So, but there's enough in here. But there, I decorated that. You might have seen me say I was going to do something with that. So yeah, so like I say, the journal bit is quite plain. Yeah, all right, I have put something in here. It's the journaling cards and one on here, and two tags in the top there, and those ones there. Okay, just doing a bit of stamping. That's it. Envelope, nothing in the envelope. Like I said, you get quite a bit to go with this kit, so go with this journal. That flips out. Okay, and this tag, something that was, I must have done it earlier date on the book page, and I just popped that in because I thought a little bit of sparkle. This is just opens out so you can write on that. So it's there. And then I have put a grammar on that one because it goes on the outside of the journal, like so. Okay. It's there. There's the back. Yeah. Little tag. This was from the freebie. This bit here. Okay. Then, if you go in here. Okay, but there, these are just like journaling pages. Okay, that's all right, and they tuck in nicely in there. Okay, then just done a bit of embellishment on there, and that just sticks in there. Okay. Same, not too over, you know, hardly embellished at all. This is for you to do your own thing with all the bits and pieces that I'm giving you. And again, yeah, these could be decorated a bit more, but not too much because but oh, they're all lined on the back there. Oh, so writing on that. Oops. Okay. And then again, 2 tags there. And 2 tags there. Okay. And on both centres, there's a few dangles. Put that in. Yeah. Other envelope. And that flips out. Open as well, just make sure it's not stuck there. Right. Yeah, and another one of those with another exactly the same journaling inside that. There we go, and that is it. Right, okay, right. And I will show you the ephemera folder now. I won't take everything out, but I'll just sort of show you. That should stop that now. Okay, so that's that. Then the ephemera folder, I've just put this flower on because I was going to use it on the front of the journal, if you remember, but I didn't use it. So I put this in. I've just put a little bit of this could be ripped off if you want to stick it down anywhere. Okay, that just then it's just holding there. Okay, so it's not really on there. Actually, you won't be able to open it, but I just thought I'd include that. Okay, and this is just an out paper bag, one of the lunch bags. I think, no, actually, it was a paper bag because I went and got a few balls of those cotton yarn and it came in a bag. And I thought, oh, I'll use that straight away. And made it into a little journal. Oh, it was in my hand and I thought, oh, I'll make something out of that. So this is where this come about. Okay, so I've just sort of done a bit of a collage there on the front. It's, yeah, all these are not backed or anything. They are for you to do yourself, okay? So but I put in loads. All right, and there's 3 in there. And loads. Some of these are from the other one of my Christmas medley kit from last year because it really went well. So it had birds and everything on. So I thought it'd be nice to include some of those. Okay, there's loads in here. That's from the freebie, but try to, you know, have a selection. So there's loads in here. Okay, and that's that. And some more tags and journaling cards And I made that pocket out just all bits and pieces that were left over. So just put it together. I thought, no, use it. I'm using the bits up. This one is like a few pockets. Okay, different size pockets. And a few journaling cards in the back. All right. That's that. And then here is just loads of tickets and things that you can embellish the journal, the blank pages with. I even pop some of those in, just fold them up in the page tabs if you want to use those. Just some plainer things. I just popped a few bits in, but most of the things are from like the medley kit and everything. Oh, should put that there, really. Put them there. That is packed, yeah, and words, tickets, all sorts of tickets, loads of tickets. There we go. A few little cut out flowers down there. I won't get them out because they're right in here. Okay, and some single words that have already been cut out, but I thought I'd put, oh, well, this is sweet. I had a couple of these, so pop one of them in for you. Little diddy envelopes. Pop that in. Okay, so that goes with the journal. So I quite like doing that actually, and then I can add loads of bits, and for someone to then you make it your own, don't you? You know. So yeah, that's hopefully going on my website very soon. I'm trying to, like, after this video, I'm trying to get a few things finished. I've got another Christmas journal that I'm going to get on with because somebody asked me for that last year, so which they knew I wasn't working on it into this year. So I will get on with that and do a few videos on how I do my page spreads on that. But so I wanted to work with that new kit, so that is good. So that's partly the new kit and some from last year. So there we go. And I think that's nice. Okay, well, thank you very much then, everybody, and speak to you soon. Bye.